Welcome to Learn Tech Today English YouTube channel. We're diving into a powerful topic today. Imagine waking up at 2 a.m. with severe anxiety and needing a therapist right now. The next available appointment is 3 months away, and it costs a fortune. This is the reality for too many people. What if you could pull out your smartphone and instantly talk to an empathetic, world-class therapist for less than a streaming subscription price? Sounds like a miracle, right? Today, we will understand how AI-driven mental health care expands human agency. If you think AI is just a robot that writes emails, get ready to see how it can give you ultimate control over your own mind and life. Let's look at the real world and the current status of mental health care. Millions suffer from the, quote, existential threat of the status quo. In the US alone, 129 million people live in areas with a massive shortage, leading to 3 to 6 month waits for an appointment. This broken system heavily restricts your agency, your capacity to make your own choices and act independently. When care is too expensive or unavailable, you have no choices. But here comes artificial intelligence to save the day. AI transforms therapy from a rare luxury into an everyday accessible tool, making intelligence an abundant resource. So how exactly does AI expand your agency in mental health? Let's break it down step by step. Today, you settle for whoever is in your network, but AI offers the Netflix model. Pay a flat fee for access to hundreds of clinical AI therapists, allowing you to test drive therapies until you find your perfect match, completely expanding your power of choice. Right now, therapy is mostly reactive. AI offers always-on-tap emotional support. You can access empathetic, non-judgmental responses anytime, day or night, building healthier coping mechanisms on your own schedule. AI expands the agency of doctors too. AI handles admin notes and analyzes thousands of hours of therapy transcripts to tell human therapists exactly which evidence-based practices, or EBPs, work best in the real world. Let's visualize this, Dustin. Friends, see AI in action. The Talkspace data detective analyzed over 160,000 counseling sessions using AI. It discovered that therapists who used quote, complex reflections had much better patient outcomes than those who simply gave advice. AI helps humans heal humans better. A study showed that licensed physicians rated ChatGPT's responses to medical questions higher than human doctors, nearly 80% of the time. Why? Because AI never gets tired, never loses patience, and can be performatively empathetic. Smart memory trick time. Samaj, AAYA? Remember the word ACT. A stands for accessible, therapy is available 24/7. C stands for choice. You can test different therapies like a Spotify mix. T stands for transparency. AI analyzes data to show what actually heals us. In short, AI expands human agency in mental health by turning an expensive, reactive, and scarce resource into an abundant, personalized, and proactive one. It ensures nobody is left alone. Remember, my dear students, your mental health is your greatest wealth. Technology is building incredible tools to support you, but you are the true pilot of your life's journey. Embrace the future. Take care of your mind and become absolutely unstoppable.